here June. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai red curry paste, and here is my ingredient, and I have all my ingredient 12, everything is 12 up to 12. So I will show you one by one what is my ingredient to make curry paste. So here is my garlic, and I use around half big pieces like that, and I use half, maybe around 6 to 7 small pieces. And here I have around 3 tablespoons of shallot or red onion if you don't have shallot, so I've been already cutting up here. And here I have lemongrass, and I have 2 like this, and I use the white part of it, not green, so I've been also chop it up. And here is my coriander root, and I use around 10. If big like that you use around 5, but I have a small like this, I use around 10. So easy you can find the root. You can also use the stem but not the leaf, because you don't want to put the leaf, they might be turned green, you want to make red. So here is my galangal, and here I use this piece, small piece like that, not so small, like medium size of piece, and I've been also cutting up like that. This is like kind of ginger, but a bit harder than ginger and smell differently. And here is my kaffir lime leaf. Normally for this they use fruit, but I am in New Zealand, I can't find the fruit, so use the leaf instead the fruit. So I use around 4 of the leaf. So here is my red chilli. I use dry red chilli, and I use the big one like this because this is just not so spicy, because I don't take so much spicy. If you guys take so spicy, you go with this small dry red chili like this. You can use this around 15 to 20, but for me I use this around 10, and I soak in water around 1 hour, and I been take all the seed out and clean inside and wash it and dry it. And here is my paste, trim paste, and I've been used around half tablespoon of trim paste, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, and half of tablespoon of white peppercorn, because I don't take much spicy. If you like more spicy, you can add more. So here is my coriander seed, and I use 1 tablespoon. And here is my sea salt that grind like that. This is good to make the paste. And I use half tablespoon of the salt. The salt always you can add more when you're cooking, so it's better to put less. So now, normally in Southern Asia like Thailand, Cambodia, they use this to grinding everything. I also have, but too small to put everything into my grinder here. So instead I use fruit processor. Here is I'm going to put all my spices into my blender. So add to my coriander seed, peppercorn, and this I've been roast around 1 minute. I've been already roasted. So put cumin seed and also the salt. So put here, and I put to blend. So sorry, I forgot to show you the brand that I use for the trim paste here. This brand is you can get all ingredient and the trim paste in Asian store, and this brand I use. So now we move on to my food processor. So after that I'm going to put this chili into my uh, food processor, and I put to grind this first, so to make room for the all other ingredients. So I'll put this around 1 minute. So now my chili have been put to grind 1 minute now. So I'll take off from my machine, and I open the lid, and I'm going to add all my spices in here. Everything in my blender. And also my shrimp and my spices that I blend early. So I'm going to put everything in here, and I cover it, and I put back to blend. So you need to blend it until everything smooth and combined together. So all my ingredients into my blender. So I've been blend around 3 minutes. Depend blender. If you have a very good one, you can use a bit faster. And this is I take 3 minutes to blend me, and I have to keep stirring every 1 minute to make sure that all are fine. And here it look. So now I'm going to put my paste into my bowl. So here is my Thai red curry paste. So it's been done and look red and smell so fresh and good. When you make yourself like that, it's very nice. And this paste you can put in the fridge like maybe around 1 week to 10 days, and you can also put in the freezer to freezing in the eye tray or small container. So when every time you make curry, you just take it, or you make other thing. This curry good with curry and other thing. You make a lot from this. So I hope you enjoy my video, and see you again. Bye.